Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. In today's video we are going to discuss about lintel and beams. Both are horizontal member of the building, still they are different from each other. Both have different functions and vary on technical as well. In this video we will see the difference between beam and lintel. Concept: beams are used to support vertically applied loads. It is a horizontal member that is arranged parallel to slab. Lintels are the horizontal members used to support masonry over windows, doors, and other opening in a wall. Types: different types of beams are cantilever beam, simply supported beam, fixed beam, overhanging beam, etc. They can be of different materials, but usually they are in the form of RCC. Lintels. Lintels are usually simply supported beam. Types: it is made of wood, RCC, stone, brick, steel lintel. Nowadays wooden lintel is not used, as it get rot and damages during fire and hence may cause the collapse of the wall above. Load transfer path. The beam carries the load from the slab and transfer it to the column, and from column to the foundation footing. Lintel carries the load above the openings and transfers it to walls only. Function: beam provides support to the slab resting on it. It also provides support for floor and ceilings. Function of lintel is to support masonry wall above the openings and transfer the load to the side walls. Behavior: the beam may act as a fixed beam or simply supported beam, based on support conditions. Whereas lintel generally acts as a simply supported beam. Structural member: the beam is the framing member and part of the structural frame. Whereas lintel is not a framing member and not a part of the structural frame. Importance in structure: the beam is the most important component of the building and hence it needs due consideration while designing. Whereas most of the times lintels are neglected, at times these structures are not even provided, which ultimately leads to diagonal crack at openings. Construction process: the beam is normally cast with the slab as a whole, except in case of a precast beam. Beams are not simple and easy to construct as compared to lintel. On the other hand, the lintel can be cast separately during the construction of a masonry wall. Precast lintels can also be used. It is simple and easy to construct a lintel as compared to the beam. Location: the beam is supported on the column and wall. Its end point is rested on columns. Whereas the lintel is placed on door or window frame or sometimes on the wall, its end point is rested on walls. Feasibility in design. Design of beam is not easy as compared to lintel as it is a part of the structural frame, but nowadays the job has become easy as many 3D softwares are available for design. Whereas the design of lintel is easy as it is not a part of the structural frame. Geometry. Beams may be straight, curved or tapered in the plan. On the other hand, lintels may be straight or curved in the plan, but the latest trend is to avoid lintel and provide a deep beam that is up to the top of the door or window frame, which results in saving time and offer more sound and durable construction. Width. The width of the beam can be equal to or more than the size of the wall below. It depends on the load. Whereas the width of the lintel is equal to the size of the wall below. Length. The beam can be of long span or short span depending upon structural configuration. It is much longer as compared to its cross-section. Whereas lintel is basically a short span member. It is not much longer as compared to its cross-section. Cross-sectional area. The cross-sectional area of the beam is more as compared to lintel, whereas the cross-sectional area of the lintel is less as compared to the beam. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.